Hello kid. Well, have you ever used a bag that is made from jute? Do you know where does it come from? Well, it comes from an industry known as the jute industry. Now, you must be thinking that while we learnt about the major industries, jute industry was not mentioned. So from where did that come from? Well, my dear kid, other than the major industries as well, we have got some important industries which provide us things that we use in our day-to-day lives. So let's look at them. Well, some of the major industries are the iron and steel industry. Well, it is a huge industry and India is known for its iron and steel industry. But there are some industries which are not as large as an iron or steel industry, but they are also equally important. So what are they? Well, they are paper industry, sugar industry, cement industry, glass and jute industry. Well, if you remember, I had asked you whether you have used a jute bag before. Well, if you look over here, these are the jute bags. Not only bags, jute is also used to make handicrafts and sacks. Now, where do you think these come from? Well, so here we see the different states in India which have got the jute industry. Well, first we have Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, West Bengal and Orissa. So, these are the states which have got the jute industry in large numbers. Now, what about the beautiful glassware that we use? Well, they are made of glass. Now, other than the glassware, we also use glasses in our day-to-day lives. For example, the spectacles that we wear, that is also made of glass. Now, what about the laboratory equipments? They are also made of glass. And most importantly, the windows that we have in our houses, they also have got glass. So, glass is used to make different products. Now, these are the Indian states which have got the maximum amount of glass industry. So, which are they? They are Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Maharashtra and Karnataka. So, these states are famous for their glass industry. After that, we have a very sweet thing, the sugar. Well, if you see, sugar is one of the most important thing in our kitchen, isn't it? We use it in almost all the dishes, whether it's juice or sweet dishes. So, sugar is very, very important. So, over here we see that sugar is used in various dishes and juices. So let's find out which are the states which provide us with this sweet thing. Well, they are Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Punjab. So these are the different states in India which are famous for their sugar industry. Now, here comes the different products which are very lightweight, yet it is very, very useful, like the paper cups, paper boats, paper plates and even the paper in the books. So, paper is used in various number of places. So, where does paper come from? Well, it comes from the paper industry. So, let's have a look at the states which have the maximum number of paper industry. Here we have got West Bengal and Maharashtra. So, these are the states having paper industry. Now, we have got an important thing which is helpful in building the house, our own sweet home. What is that? Well, that is the cement. So, the masons use cement in order to build our houses. You will be surprised to know that cement is also an industry. See, these are the states which are famous for the cement industry. like Haryana, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh. So, these are the states having cement industry. So, my dear kid, here we saw that other than major industries which are huge like the iron and steel industry, we also have got some industries which are equally important like paper, cement, sugar, glass and jute industry. These are the other industries which help us to get different important things that are used in our day-to-day lives. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.